Hi, and welcome back to Shannon's World. Today, I thought we'd do a little mini mukbang kind of thing. I have my breadsticks. Sorry. And of course, my Chef Boyardee beef ravioli and tomato sauce. And to drink, Coca-Cola. My posting now is going to get a little more sporadically because of the fact that unfortunately my mom and her boyfriend broke up, so she won't be going up north as much, and I don't like to do videos in front of her because she's not exactly supportive of me doing this. So, I will still post when I can because you guys are my life. But, yeah, I'll set this here. And as you guys can see, I am a left-hander. I'm going to get some of these raviolis. These things are awesome. Really good. I'm sorry if anything pops up on us. These are really good, guys. Breadstick. Spoon out of my face, home. In case some of you guys are new to my channel, my name is Shannon Kinsley. I'm 41 years old. I'll be 42 in May. I live with my mom to help her raise my 9-year-old niece, who's been with us since she was a baby, because at first my sister, who's the baby, who had my niece, had a problem with drugs. She did heroin. And it was tough. And then here 2 years ago, I do believe it was. No, a year ago, my sister was murdered. So now she's kind of permanently part of our family. So that was kind of a tough pill to swallow. My mom has a lot of chronic back pain. When she used to work at Walmart, because she had to have surgery on her back and her neck. Her back, because she had a ruptured disc in her neck, because it was pushing on her spinal cord and it was causing numbness in her fingers, which she still has and never gone away. And she also had another ruptured disc in her neck. And also because of working at Walmart, she had to have knee surgery because she tore cartilage in her knee twice. But the second time really wasn't at work, and then she had to have it replaced, which has pretty much made it so she wasn't able to go to work. And I feel for my mom in that perspective. Just because she deserves to be working. And she can't. So I help her by cooking meals. I get my niece out for school. I used to help her on the weekends when she'd go up to see her boyfriend, which they're not together anymore, so that's kind of null and void. Yeah, I try to help her out whenever I can. Do cleaning. I go out to the store and stuff when it's needed. You guys are getting a rare treat because you're getting to see me with my glasses on, which I don't do very often because of the reflection. I hope I don't look too ugly with glasses on, but I do wear glasses. I've just never been into contacts. Whoops! Another thing about me that a lot of you might not know, you don't really ever see it in my videos, is I am a klutz. I am like the #1 rated klutz. It's bad. It is, it's bad. I mean, it's not bad. I don't do it like 24/7, if you know what I mean, but sorry, I got food stuck in my teeth and it's annoying me. Once I was in a store, Marshall's, and I was buying something that could break, and I tried to go through it, and my butt hit it and knocked it off and broke it. I was so embarrassed. I really was. But like I said, I'm a klutz like that. You know? Really gotta quit flinging my food. So, yeah, I mean, figured this would be a fun way for you guys to get to know me. Sit down, do a little mukbang, eat some food. But I'm not going to eat like a big pile of, I can't. I don't know how most mukbangers eat that much food, because I certainly couldn't. That's a lot of food to eat. There's no way I could eat that much food. But these little things, I just love them. They're so good. I like these. I like the beef and roni. I like the spaghetti and meatballs. But anyway, I'm going to wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my first mukbang. If you did, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Make sure you check out my links down below. I'll have them all down there. I'll have the link to my fan page and everything down there. And if you enjoy these mukbangs, let me know and I'll do another one. And just remember, my guys, stay you, stay strong, stay beautiful, stay blessed. And I will catch you all in the next video. Peace out. And I forgot to turn the camera off. Let's try this again. Peace out.